Good morning. We are going to discuss a case study video based upon exception handling by using library management system. Library management system is most important role in a student's life because without any books or material, they are not supposed to lead to an excellence. So based upon this, we are abbreviate the case study based upon the exception handling. Let us discuss one by one.
First, let us see the introduction part. Today, our team is going to present a case study on topic of Java exception handling. First, let us introduce. Let's understand what is exception. Exception means what? Exception means runtime error which occurs during the runtime, and this error may stop the program suddenly if they are not handled properly. In Java, exception handling is used to manage these runtime errors and help the program to run smoothly. Exception handling has 5 types, which is known as try, catch, finally, throw, and throws. This helps developing, identifying, with handling errors efficiently. For our case study, we selected library management system used in a college library. This system helps students search books, issue books, and return books and pay fines. During the usage, may runtime errors occurred. The software system crashed due to invalid input and missing data. So the developer implements Java exception handling technique to solve these problems. Now my teammates will explain the system and the problem faced.
Problem faced. Thank you. The first problem was invalid book ID input. The problem expected numbers but some user entered letters. This caused a number format exception. Another issue was missing student records. When the system tried to access unavailable student data, a null point exception occurred. Because these exceptions were not handled properly by the application, crashed frequently. So developer used Java exception handling technique to solve these problems.
Now handling number format exception and null pointer exception. Now I will explain the solutions implemented in the system. First is number format exception. The program expected numerical values for book IDs. If the user entered text instead of numbers, the program crashed. So developer used try catch blocks. Now the system shows an error message instead of crashing. The second issue was null pointer exception. Sometimes students' records were missing. The code tried to access student details like this. If data was null, an exception occurred. So developers handle it using this improved system stability.
This case study explains how Java exception handling is used in library management system to manage runtime error. Main concept is try catch block, finally block, null point exception, number format exception, customer exceptions, costume exceptions, and problem faced is wrong book ID entered, student data missing, book already issued, database runtime, and outcome is reduced application crashes, better user experience, improved software reliability.
This file handling is used in library management system to store and manage book and students record using text files. Main concept is file reader, file writer, buffer reader, buffer writer. This features is store book details, save student information, update written dates, maintain issue records. Problems faced: file not found, data duplication, incorrect file format. Outcome: easy data storage, better record maintenance, efficient library management system. Records were missing. The code tried to access student details like this. If data was null, an exception occurred. So developers handle it using this improved system stability and user experience. Now the next speaker will explain the finally block and custom exceptions.
Another important concept used was the finally block. The finally block is mainly used to close the database connections. Developers also create a custom exceptions called book not available option. It was used when a book was already issued. This provides a clear error message to user.
Conclusion. To conclude, Java exception handling helped improve the library management system. After implementing exception handling, application crashes reduced, user experience improved, and debugging became easier. This case study shows that exception handling is essential for developing reliable Java applications. Thank you, everyone.
If you already know what is the mean by try and catch. Without catch, the try block will not be accessed, right? Without your barcode, you are not an access to take a book or library anywhere at any time. That is the try catch block. If you are having try and catch, then that automatically finally will come. If you are having a barcode, you are automatically go inside the library and take a book something or a newsletter, any other things. Then you are get an inputs from the materials. That is the exception handling try catch finally block by using exception handling in library management system. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.